All right, here, closing time of Collision. You can see it's a lot less busy than it was over the last few days. Lucky that we got to the first day of exhibiting. Lots of foot traffic and just great conversations. And I know today wasn't as much, and so a couple of the companies may be a little bit disappointed on the amount of people that came and talked to them. So the last 2 days, a little bit more, I would say, just like taking in lessons, going to some master classes, checking out some of the companies that were in this, relatively same space, get some insights from that, or check out even some of the companies further along and do it. So awesome class from Brian Gold of #Pay that I went to. Another one from Verstra Ventures about getting to Series A, and just learning lots, processing all the information. Look forward to getting some downtime, decompressing, and then connecting with some of the people here in Toronto to just get their thoughts on the week overall, what their belief of the market, the conditions, everything is right now. So still a pretty overwhelming but fun week. Enjoyed it. Just grateful to connect with some of the people who I had known virtually for a long time but had never got to meet in person. And with that, even seeing some of the joy, some of the fun last night, the dancing and everything, I really felt connected to the community and glad I had the opportunity and privilege to come. So I'll do a little bit more debriefing and thinking about everything that happened here. But for now, signing off on the last day of Collision. Somehow kept the video recording up during this time. A little bit shaky. This is definitely not my ideal recording quality, but did my best. I appreciate anyone who's checking this out. Thank you.